New Richard Mille RM 6001 automatic winding flyback chronograph Regatta watch. Caliber RMAC2 automatic winding movement with hours, minutes, running second at 3 o'clock, oversized date, month, annual calendar, flyback chronograph with central seconds counter and 60 minutes countdown timer at 9 o'clock. 24 hours totalizes at 6 o'clock UTC functions and variable geometry router. Power reserve is around 50 hours. 45 hours with chronograph running. Actual power reserve results will depend on how much chronograph features are utilized. UTC function. The RM6001 features a UTC hand that can be used either as a second time zone indicator or in combination with the sun and the rotating bezels to orientate the points of the compass. Variable geometry route. The Richard Mille RM6001 uses a variable geometry to optimize the router's windings motion. Router specifications are ARM in grade 5 titanium, 18K white gold weight segment. Weight segment with 6 possible positions adjustment by screws in a grade 5 titanium. Ceramic ball bearings and unidirectional anti-clockwise winding direction. Movement characteristics or movement diameters. Movement diameters is 39.15 mm. Thickness 9.00 mm. Number of jewels is 62. Balance Glossidor 4 arms, moment of inertia 4.8 mg centimeter square. Angle of lift is 53 degree. Frequency 28,800 VPH 4 Hz. Balance spring Elmware by Nivarox. Shock protections in cap lock 908.22.211.100 transparent. Escapement wheel jewels Rubifix transparent. 3 position stem, manual winding, date adjustment and time setting. Movement base plate and bridges in hand ground grade 5 titanium wet sun blasted top face polished by hand and PVD treated. Burnished pivots diamonds polished sinks on the bridge side. Pinions with undercuts. Sapphire blasted and drawn surfaces, screw slot and screw beveled and polished with round and polished tip. Wheel sand blasted and rhythm plated beveled wheels before cutting. Minimum corrections applied to the wheels in order to preserve geometry and performance.